This is the Hello World Podcast.
Coach, you mentioned an important aspect earlier. When the team wins, it's the players. When the team loses, it's the coach. Do you agree with that?
That is the heart of accountability. In the end, as leaders, we have to take accountability for that. And when the team wins, we have to give the credit to our people, di ba? I believe in it, and I don't, if that's even possible. I think it's also very unfair to leaders. It's very unfair to coaches because a lot of things in sports or even in business are largely out of our hands, di ba? But in the end, I think human nature is always wants to be able to point at somebody for the success or the failure. So the loneliness of leadership is that the buck stops here. The buck stops with you. So that's one of the most important things you have to ask yourself if you are going to take a significant leadership position. Are you ready for this? Because that's the risk. It's a great profession. The rewards are fantastic, but you also have to understand what the risks are, and those are one of the risks of significant or high profile leadership position.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.